Hi, I'm Chris, your service manager with Wilde Towne Honda. Before we get too excited about warmer days, our cars need a spring makeover. Seasonal maintenance helps prolong the life of your car. And the following are a few of the things you should look at getting done in the springtime. The first thing you'll want to look at is the wipers. If you're seeing streaking on your windshield while using your wipers, it's a good sign that you need to replace your wipers. Now that you replaced your windshield wipers, make sure your wiper fluid is topped off. Other fluids to check are the coolant system, transmission, brake, and power steering. If your fluids are low, we recommend bringing in your car for service. Another level to check is your oil. In newer Hondas, we recommend an oil change at 15% or once a year, whatever comes first under normal driving conditions. Also, by scheduling an oil change, our quick lube technicians will check other important maintenance items like your filters and tires. And speaking of tires, with the temperature fluctuating, your tire's air pressure may be off. It's common to see your tire pressure light on during season changes, so make sure to fill those tires and check their quality. If you're bringing in the car for service, ask us to also check the suspension and alignment to make sure nothing is too far outside the manufacturer's specifications. And last but not least, we recommend you get your car a nice wash. During the winter months, our car goes through a lot of salt, dirt, and grime, so it's important to wash your car once winter is over. Don't have time to check these items yourself? Our friendly service advisors are ready to help you with any spring maintenance car task. You can stop in or schedule an appointment online or over the phone. Make sure to like us on Facebook and check out our website for great service specials. And as always, thank you for choosing Wilde Towne Honda.